We have a train. Literally just right out of the second video. Here we are. I don't know how long this is gonna be. I literally just was in the store. Or was it literally in the store? And I just heard the horn. I ran out of the house again. And that was literally like a minute ago. Guessing this is grain. Probably going to like, there's a grain elevator not that far out of here. Kind of closer to Ebenezer. But yeah. So I am going to be doing AU versus the world content. A lot of it. I want to do, plan is to do 14 like videos. Some of them might be smaller than others, but like 14 videos. And kind of talk about the cast a little bit. Like, you know, walking everyone through who these people are and whatever, and obviously a lot of people already know who this is, who they are. And then I also want to do we'll be doing 6 recap episodes